Learning English, Intermediate Grammar, Relative Clauses. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In today's lesson, we will dive into the fascinating world of relative clauses. Specifically, we'll explore the topic of using where for places within the context of defining relative clauses. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the usage of where in defining relative clauses, let's quickly recap what defining relative clauses are. Defining relative clauses provide essential information about a noun or pronoun, helping to identify or define it more precisely. They usually begin with relative pronouns such as who, which, or that. Now, let's move on to the main focus of this lesson. In defining relative clauses, where is used to refer to places. It helps us provide more information about the location or position of a person, thing, or event. Here's an example to illustrate this. The city where I grew up is beautiful. In this sentence, the relative clause, where I grew up, provides additional information about the noun, city. It tells us the specific place that is being referred to. Let's look at another example. The cafe where we had lunch yesterday has the best coffee. Here, the relative clause, where we had lunch yesterday, gives us more information about the noun, cafe. It specifies the place where the action of having lunch took place. To further solidify our understanding, let's explore a few more examples of using where for places in defining relative clauses. That's the school where my sister teaches. Can you show me the park where we played soccer last weekend? The museum where we saw the art exhibition is renowned worldwide. In each of these examples, the relative clause beginning with where provides essential information about the place being discussed. To summarize, where is used in defining relative clauses to refer to places. It helps us provide specific details about the location or position of a person, thing, or event. By incorporating this into your English, you can make your sentences more precise and descriptive. Now, let's put our knowledge into practice. I'll provide you with a few sentences, and I want you to complete them by using where in defining relative clauses. 1. The restaurant, blank, we had our anniversary dinner is incredibly romantic. 2. Do you remember the beach, blank, we spent our summer vacation last year? 3. This is the hospital, blank, my father was born. Take a moment to think and write down your answers. Then, let's compare them. Great job today! In this video, we explored the usage of where in defining relative clauses, focusing on places. Remember that defining relative clauses provide essential information about nouns or pronouns, and where allows us to specify locations or positions. Keep practicing and incorporating these concepts into your English language learning journey. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.